It is in one of the programs, Liqam al-Arab, a question was asked how a man is entitled or allowed to beat his wife, but I want to know the real meaning of the nushuz of al-mar'a, وَإِنْ خِفْتُمْ نُشُوذًا.
In the same Liqam al-Arab program, I explained the meaning of nushuz as well, didn't I? Nushuz, I have explained it not only there, in the same Liqam al-Arab program which he refers to, but also have explained at greater length and in more depth in my Quran on these verses. So instead of attempting to recount everything which I said before, I would to listen to the or watch the video recording of the Quran of this portion where I dealt with this subject. Only this year, right? But I propose that instead of the running translation like commentary, which is being carried out during the dars, it should be retranslated before she watches it, because that translation is inadequate. Even the expert translators in English, when I listen to their translations, at times I'm shocked. I say, is this what I said? Could I have said it? That sort of thing. In Indonesian, some translations were presented to me, and I was really shocked. I said, although the translator was good, he understood Urdu as well as Indonesian and some English, but it's not possible, in fact, no fault of his. Because when he's translating the portion which I've already said, all along I'm saying new things. So you can't have both things together in mind when what he said is finished. Then he has to translate what I was saying during the time he was saying something. So very difficult, to keep one ear on this side and the eyes on the other and mouth involved in another thing. So no fault of poor translators, but no fault of those who would listen to them either. Why should they be punished? So that is why fresh translations are highly essential.